Rhinoplasty with local anesthesia. Hello everyone. Today I would like to make an explanation about the common question that you are asking me. If I can perform these procedures with local anesthesia. I know some of you are afraid to have general. So if you are satisfied with your bridge shape, you don't want any change for that part, tiplasty and alarplasty, which means changing the tip of the nose and the nostrils, can be done under local anesthesia. Of course, this procedure will take less time. Surely you need to stay here shorter period. So if you think that you are suitable for these procedures, please reach out to me and we can discuss together if we can perform these procedures with local anesthesia for you.